forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and leave a notification, leave a comment in the comment section, guys. So here, Cook and Inspire is in our church, in our local church that I go to. We have a men's seminar where we empowered men, to eat healthy, exercise, we teach them about finance, and all those things. So now it's my bit to do a simple demonstration to our men in our church, to tell them about healthy living, healthy lifestyle. Because some of us, we don't really eat healthy, we don't drink healthy, fizzy drink. I'm a bit guilty too, so even though I've demonstrated, I get a bit spoiled at times. But yeah, man, over here I got some celery, some cucumber, and we got green apple, lemon, ginger, carrot, beetroot. Many of you looking at it now and says, I can't drink that, I can't eat that, but I'm telling you, if you actually taste it when it's juice, it's so delicious and it's so nutritious. It's full of, these ingredients are full of so much nutrition, vitamins, good for your immune system, skin, you name it, everything is right here on this table, yeah? So if you want to get healthy, start doing your juicing, start doing your fruit smoothie, and I guarantee you, if you do this for over a week, then you will see you start to feel the result within your body. You feel different, you feel stronger, you feel your whole body changes. That's what it does. So first of all, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna do some celery and some cucumber with a bit of ginger, with some lemon. I'm gonna do about 2 different drinks and you can taste them. So if you guys come with a big cup, you don't get much. If you have a small cup, you can taste. Yeah. So over here now. I think I'll leave my knife inside. I need my knife. Just give me 1 second. Let's get his board a bit closer. I don't tend to put my fruits all in the juicer because you know what it is. So cucumber, celery, and I'm going to use some ginger. I just kind of make it a bit smaller. Right. Hope this thing will work. Right, so we're going hard veg. Soft veg. So cucumber first, right? It's very simple. Look at that. That's just quarter of a cucumber and the amount of juice get in there. And if you're having high blood pressure, guys, cucumber is actually good for you. Lower blood pressure.
Yeah, actually suffer from that.
Likewise, celery.
Celery is good for the high blood pressure too.
Yes. And ginger. Good for your immune system, antioxidant. Good for the tummy as well. Put some lemon in there as well, some lime, alkaline. Where's my assistant? So if you wanna taste it, just grab a small glass and I'll pour some in there. So much of that salt.
Guess first.
You use me a guinea pig first. Guess first.
Yes, it's still alive.
Thank you.
So here I have my beautiful wife over here assisting me.
Thank you very much.
Men's empowerment, yeah? So tell me what you think.
This fertilizer.
One time.
Hello, can I have some more, please?
Not time for second yet. Second after. Thank you. Champ, you know?
Look at you, putting this Andrew. Make it get already.
I'm smoothie now.
Still flying.
I do the smoothie right now.
Alright, I'm gonna get the dregs now. You guys get back. I don't want the dregs. I don't want the dregs. I want the...
What kind of spice is it?
Cameraman, you're not good.
Send me another piece. That's alright, no worry.
So,
You'll get the first
guys.
one from the next.
Alright.
thank you, chef. So, it's time for part 2. So listen now. You know, some of you guys haven't get any yet, but I'll do some more and you can have it. Yeah? Because time against us. And for those who have drink already, you can probably feel a difference. You know, my friend over there says.
Big up your chest.
Yeah, man. So right now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm doing some fruit smoothie. Yeah. Guys, are you listening? Guys, alright. Please take up your glass when you finish, please. Yeah, so I'm going to do some fruit smoothie now. It is very easy and simple. I've got banana, strawberry, blueberries. Yeah? And I'll be using some spinach. I'm not using any milk. I'm just going to use some water or coconut water. You can use milk if you want. Your choice. Yeah? Right. Banana. Just put everything in there, man. Just cut it up like that. No, pretty boy thing. Pretty boy thing, eh? Let's brush it up. Put it in there. Some strawberry. Use 2 strawberry. I tell you guys are gonna like this one. And this one is ideal for breakfast. If you eat this one, if you drink this one, I guarantee you for the whole day. Yeah? It's a good healthy breakfast. Two elements. A little spinach. For those for the youngsters out here, teenagers, oh spinach, I don't eat spinach in it. So I'm gonna use some coconut water. Yeah? And if you're in the queue, if I'm like you, I'll grab my cup from now. Right. Okay, so I think I need some more water in this. But this one is going to be a bit thick. And there's no sugar. Banana, we got sugar. The strawberry, blueberry. Ready? See that?
Wow.
I'm gonna take the out of my wife here, sir.
Turn your posture a bit to the side so I can see.
Can I get napkin, please?
Nice. You don't like spinach? You don't like spinach?
Chef, what's in this one here, sir?
So we got blueberry, strawberry, banana, and spinach with coconut water. That's it. That's it.
Natural water.
You can use natural water.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
No salt, no sugar. Yeah. All the fruits are sweet, you know. Sorry, you're listening already?
Chef, I'm coming in the pleasure.
I'll address that.
No, pretty boy thing, everything I'm going. Well, come on.
I didn't see any measuring cylinder.
The measurement is
weighing
There's no time for that, mate.
weighing
I've been cooked like short out in the pot and I never saw it.
experience, man. And your experience, you don't measure things. It's just too much promotion.
I do want carrot and a beetroot for them.
You get my one.
One more to do, very quick. I didn't want to wait on them because. Okay, so over here I got beetroot. So beetroot. You buy beetroot? No? Yeah? Beetroot is that thing now, if you eat too much and you go to the toilet, you might think something wrong with you. Yeah? You're gonna go to the doctor straight away and say, oh, I'm dying.
Got red in it.
So beetroot, carrot. Yeah. Concentrate. We got ginger. Ginger goes with anything. I'll tell you why, yeah? I'm gonna make it a bit refreshing. I'll put some cucumber in there. I'll put some cucumber in there, piece of apple. Yeah? Alright, so here we have it again. This one we call it immune booster. COVID, anything. Flu. Yeah, man. So let's give it a little shake. Let's give it a little shake up, man. I got a spoon. Right.
So cameraman, you're first.
Thank you so much.
So who wanna go quick? Who wanna go quick?
Leave it that way. It's actually quite good, actually.
Remember me?
That taste might be off. I'm gonna taste off.
Okay, guys.
Anything you want to say?
Yeah, man. So, guys, this is it for this video. You know, thanks for watching. You know, you guys really enjoy this demonstration. You know, try to keep them healthy, try to keep them fit and everything. So, I'm gonna end this video right now. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah. Until next time, we're gonna inspire in and out the kitchen. Yeah, man. Chef Garnet style.